Did you ever miss receiving your packages because of working constantly away from home or being too busy to hear the bell ring? Since 2008, the idea of smart home systems has become an irreversible trend. In the construction industry of Taiwan, now, a team of people has invested time and effort to develop an IP intercom system. The high-tech functions of its intercoms allow them to do a marvelous job of monitoring. DP306 Face Recognition Intercom has a face recognition algorithm developed by VBell for information security reasons. The facial recognition data is stored by the host in communities or factories, providing software for an integrated access control management system. CP10 Intercom is equipped with a 10-inch touchscreen. DP203 IP Intercom is equipped with an advanced metallic aluminum wire drawing casing, capacitive touchscreen, and in-wall installation demonstrates a touch of elegance technology. DP104 IP Access Controller Intercom allows the users to answer calls from visitors or open the door for them or families, even though they are away from home. VBell Central Monitoring System has a web-based operating environment and an integrated platform that meets international and industrial standards. The power supply, central air conditioning, and lighting systems, as well as the elevator fire alarm system, are incorporated into the central monitoring system. In addition to intercoms and systems, surveillance cameras are essential. IPC101 Dome camera is equipped with a lens of 2 million pixels. It is a real-time web camera with a true dynamic range and a manual switch to shift between the color mode in the daytime, monochrome mode at night. To make sure our customers feel safe when using our intercoms, VBell insists on having all components made in Taiwan to ensure product quality. Meanwhile, by integrating the concepts of convenience, advanced, and practical technology, automatic smart functions to make future lifestyle possible.